Hi dear students, welcome back. Today we are coming for class 12 Tamil Nadu matriculation plus 2 higher secondary public examination 2026 subject English answer keys unofficial. The QP code is 29011. We are solving the 1 mark questions. In the first question, the answer is option D, heated. In the second question, option is A. In the third question, the option is confusion. B. Option B. And in the fourth question, the option is C. And the fifth question is option A, inadequate. And the sixth question is the option C. In seventh question, it's option C, ITV, nobility. Now the eighth question, option B, set off. And in the ninth question, the option B, above. And in the 10th question, the option is therefore. And in the 11th question, the option is B, to be most powerful. And in the 12th, it's C, many. And in 13th, it's between jobs, option B. And the 14th is motor and pedal, option D. And in the 15th question, it's option B, world famous. And in the 16th, it's schedule, option A. And in the 17th question, CAA. CAA is Central Intelligence Agency. The option is A. And the 18th question, wise, wisdom. The noun of wise is wisdom. And the 19th question, how many pages did you read? And in the 20th, is an honest woman. This is an unofficial prepared based on the exam analysis and educational success. While every effort has been made to ensure accuracy, errors may occur due to clerical, technical, or human mistakes. Final evaluation and result will be determined as by the TNDG. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12